I want to, I've got to tread carefully here. I want to explain something to you that I've known about for a while, but I've only really just started getting to grips with it, and it is mantras. Now, it's not that I've never seen them as a vital part of spiritual existence, but I've never really embraced them truly until now. They hold a hell of a lot of power. There's something sensational about saying words. Like, words have a lot of power, even if we think about them in our heads, but if we say them out loud as well. The things that we're putting out into the universe, and if we consciously put out incredible things out into the universe, then we're going to create an amazing energy around us. So if you make an effort of saying a mantra, and if you say a mantra at least like 30 times a day, you're going to just keep adding amazing bits of energy out into the universe. Now, this mantra that I've been saying recently, which I highly suggest you just have a little try of, is: I am more than I appear to be. All the world's strength and power rests inside me. And if you keep saying that over and over, and say it at least 30 times a day, if you can do it all in one go, then you're probably going to get the most benefit out of it. But yeah, at least 30 times a day, say this mantra. And if you do, to improve it even more, if you have some time where you can, have a bit of time to yourself, maybe sit down, say this mantra, and while you do it, envisage yourself as the optimum positive version of yourself. So witness yourself as Mother Teresa or as Gandhi or someone, like offering out support to other people. And while you're saying this mantra, see yourself as the perfect version of you for that day. And it will encourage your will even more, your self-determination and your strength to strive to achieve everything that you set out to do that day. Mantras are all about sound, all about words leaving your mouth, and words have an incredible amount of power. The words that you think about and the words that you say really do encourage the way you hold yourself throughout the day and the way you behave. I've been getting a lot out of it, and I'd love you to try it, at least try it. And if I set you a little challenge as well, because if we look at the law of 21, and if you do something for 21 days consecutively, it turns itself into a habit, and then becomes so much easier for us to do, because if something's a habit, we go to do it naturally instead of having to force ourselves to do it. So try this mantra, saying it at least 30 times a day for 21 days consecutively. If you get to your 21 day and you've done this mantra 30 times a day and done your positive imagining with the mantra, if you can do that as well, I want to hear from you. I want to hear how it's helped, if it's helped, which I'm sure it will have done. How has it helped? How has it created that will for you to achieve the things that you want to achieve in your day, and the positive impacts that you can have on other people? Let it be your North Star for the day, somewhere that you can look to create out of nowhere, create will. Anyway, it's already getting too dark to shoot, so thank you so much for watching. Please give it a like if you've got anything out of this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. Join the Joy Club, stay mindful, and yeah, I'll see you super soon with some more videos. Bye bye.